Nigga X about me, nigga X about me, nigga X about me, nigga X about me. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler.
Hey yo mga kamang Jude, at ito ang part 2. Yun naman po yung forma namin at napakasimple na naman. Mamaya na ulit.
Look at all this shit I did, all this shit I done. How the fuck I'm still alive? Could've died by the gun, but now I'm on the rise. Mama proud of her son. Institution in my eyes, niggas booked me for a month, but now I'm getting booked for these shows. It ain't worth the for nut. You get fucked from these hoes. P.O. on me, I'm too high. It's type hard till they low. No weed for these bitches, just a roll. Niggas high if they think I ain't gon' blow. I don't listen to these niggas telling lies. Niggas tryna bring you down, they just snakes in the sky. Smile in your face, give you a 5. Niggas ain't feeling my pain. Got kicked out the crib, nigga, I slept in the train. No future in my range. How the fuck the priest stand still? Remember my name, asking me why I'm grimy, bitch. Get up on my face. Niggas think this shit a joke. I got homies that got locked, I got homies that got poked. Same niggas sending shots, fucked around and they got smoked. Pray to God for some hope. All my brothers in a prison, they get free before I go. Ain't no love for no hope. Tell that bitch to keep her pace. I put my dick shit down her throat. Pull a cabin.
Take time when you talk, cause the lyrics is best. Rhythm my text, go deeper, I take shit in the depth. I'm still young to the shit, but you must give me respect. Breaking a sweat to see me how I keep it in check. I run laps on niggas, I don't clap for niggas. I may clap by niggas, be too much chat with niggas, that's just part of the game. When you live in the streets, hoolies running your crib, they need something to eat. Did you ever think that you would be this rich? Went from robbing niggas, jugging, hitting licks. I'm too equipped, twin turbo when we dip. Be on the roads, niggas know we got the bricks. Can't keep up with me, cardio on 100. Freaking bitches off, get a cross from her stomach. Serves up, little nigga, boss up, little nigga. Couple thousand on my kicks, floss up, little nigga. Kicking down doors, withdraw, put my gun in his face. Tell Curly snatch his girlie while he open his safe. Off to the chase, I tell my driver circle the pace. And we got automatic weapons, if we front I'ma spray. All in the day, we finna make some G's off the shit. The D's on this shit, I'm finna breeze on this shit. I need the coke, I need the dope, I need the keys to the whip. If you don't answer as I'm speaking, then we leave with a shit. Straight to the strip, she making back the money you missed. You stole from me, double up, we gon' replace it with this. He tell me give me a week, I tell him give me some yay. He got some bricks by the bay, but don't keep shit where he stay. And I got nowhere to lay, so I can't wait no more. He tell me Brody, give me seconds, I can make one call. I gotta hold me up the road, then he could break something off. He whip it, he flip it, it's sold, I'm finna make some more.
Ay, kukuha na lang kita, Penggu. Oy. Oy. Oy ka naman dyan, Penggu. Asan yung nanay mong gorilla? Ah. Okay, papasok na tayo mga Kamang Jude. Let's go! Oh, napakaganda pa rin ang view dito. Makikita ninyo. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Baka. Ay. Oo, nasa Kajang mo kami yan, tambay lang, naninigarin nyo lang, ganyan po kami kalupit dito. Tambay po talaga kami. Kaya lang namin yung mga malalayong lugar namin. Sunod Bicol. Sunod Bicol na ho kami, sunod Bicol na. Ang galing ah. Ang ganda ng view. Ayun, dagat. Ayun, ang ganda ng view. Yan, dyan tayo. Yan. Oh, nice and beautiful, man. Sa Philippines, it's ganda-ganda mo. Nature, what a good nature. Oh, kaway mo to, oh. Kaway mo na dito, oh. Hanip pa. Talagang ano ah. Saan kayo? Tatlo? Dito, oh. Oh, ang sarap yan, biskuit. Yan. Bubusog pa kayo dahil wala kaming pera. Okay. Abay, sabihin nyo naman, Mang Jude. Sabihin nyo, Kamang Jude.
Mang Jude.
Okay, thank you. Ay, mga Kamang Jude, oh. Napakaganda ng view.
What a nice view.
Doon, may bayan na doon. May bayan na. May mga batang makukulit. Yan.
TJLB. Flight.
Sama ko kayo sa vlog ko, be, ah. Bawal talaga dyan? Bawal? Ganun ba? Eh, kung private kami?
Private ka, yun eh.
Uy! Ayan. Go! Punta tayo sa ang lubat na to. Sabi po, napakaganda po lugar dito. Ang gandang lugar po.
TJLB. Flight.
Parang waterfalls. Parang may waterfalls po yan. Ayan. Ayan ho. Ano na siya? Ha?
Punta pa tayo.
Ano ba yan? Falls ba talaga dyan? Sabi. pauwi na nga kami mga kamang Jude. Ayan, check lang po kami ng ano, napakaganda pa rin ng view dito. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. Pauwi na! Pauwi na! Lapang na, lapang. Sarap po yan,